So students, firstly I explaining the scientific notation in chart. So you know what is the definition of scientific notation? A method for expressing very large or very small number as the product of decimal less than 10 and multiply by 10 power of 10. So this is the scientific notation. Means if uh, when then this is the scientific notation and this is the standard form of the number. If you any number we can write in this form, so number known as a scientific notation, and if any scientific notation number we can write in this form, then number known as a standard form. Now you know what is the rule of scientific notation and standard form. So firstly listen how we can write the any number in a scientific notation. So look here, he has given some number. One example is here. So what is the first step? Put the decimal after the first digit. So firstly we put the decimal after the first digit like this, then add the multiplied 10 to the number. What is the number here? Is a 1.23 multiplied by 10. And what is the exponent here? So to find the exponent, count the number of place from the decimal to the end of the number. Means from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many numbers after decimal here is a 8? Then power will be what? 8. Means you can read the 1.23 multiplied by 10 power 8. So this is a scientific notation. So now you know how we can write the a number in standard form. So we can write in this form. Scientific notation numbers in a when the number given, this is the number given in which form? Scientific notation form. So how we can write the number in a standard form? Because when moved to the right, what is the firstly observe the power. If power 10 power is a positive, then may move to decimal to right hand side. If power are given negative, then move to decimal in a left hand side. So because the exponent is a positive, so move the decimal point 4 place to the right, 4 place. And then in this question, what is the power? Negative. So because the exponent is a negative, so 4 move the decimal point 4 place to the left. So this was all about for the scientific notation, means just a re-explaining. So now then then now previous homework, you know what was the previous homework? Question number 12. Means what is 12? Express in a scientific notation. Number there is given, and how we can write in any number, small or large number, any smaller non-zero number in a scientific notation. So look here, the number is what is given, 0.00002. Then we have a two method. You can solve in this method and you also write in a this method. Means firstly the number convert in a fraction form. You know how we can write any decimal number in a fraction form according to the decimal place. Count the decimal place after the decimal. 1 2 3 4 4 0 and 1 2 means 5. Decimal place how many? 5. So we write the 50 after 1 in denominator and write the number as a numerator. So what is the number? 2. So 2 will be numerator, and then 1. Then after 1 how many 0 we can write? After 1 we can write the 50, because after decimal how many numbers here are? 5. Then 5, then we can write the 2 upon 10 power 5, and then this number we can also write the 2 multiplied by 10 power minus 5. So this is the scientific notation, but we can also write in this form. So what is it? Decimal is here where? Right hand side. So sorry, left hand side. So we can, you know, when we move to decimal left to right, then power will be negative. Left to right, left to right. So move the decimal point how many place? To right. Decimal is here. Now we can move the decimal from here to here. So then we move the decimal 5 point, then the answer will be 2 multiplied by 10 power minus 5. This is the scientific notation. Now is the question number second. Here is a 0.0. How many zeros? 4 and 5, then 1 2 3 number. total is a 8. So look here, what is the first number here is a 5. So write the decimal between 5 and 4, because this is a rule of scientific notation. And listen, decimal is where is given decimal in the left hand side, and we know when the decimal move to left to right, then we can write the number in this form. And how many place we move to decimal? 6 place. And where? Right hand side. Right hand side, when you move to decimal, then power will be negative. Which power? 10. So answer will be 5.4 to 10 multiply by 10 power what? Minus 6. So question number 2 means question number 13, and this is today's topic, express in a standard form. So how we can write any scientific notation in a standard form? So look here, 6 multiplied by 10 power minus 5, what is given? Minus 5. Power is given minus 5. So means decimal कहाँ से मूव हुआ? डेसिमल हुआ लेफ्ट, मीन्स हम यहाँ से लेफ्ट तक ले जाएंगे. सो व्हाट इज हियर 6, देन वी मूव टू डेसिमल लेफ्ट. हाउ मेनी प्लेस? 5 प्लेस. Right to left, when we move to decimal right to left, then we can write the any scientific notation in a standard form. And this form means 0.0. Then 6, number is 6, then we move to decimal. Move to how many number? Decimal 5, means 1 6 is a now 4 0, 1 2 3 4. Then answer will be 0.0006. means what is it? Firstly observe the power is a negative, so उतना ही डेसिमल को आप ले जाओ किधर? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में. सेकंड 9.6 10 power minus 8. So students, we know firstly we observe the power. What is given here is the minus 8, means we use the where we move to decimal, move to left. How many place? 8 places. So but here is a 9, also we include the 9 in this 8, means 1 as a like as a 1 place. So how many places left? 7. For the left places we can use the 0 before the 9, means we can write the 7 0 before 9, and then we use the decimal after that 8 digit. So answer will be 0.00000096. Now next is some examples also here, express in a scientific notation. So what is given here is the first 213 000 means 60 and 213. So how we can write any number in scientific notation? We know we move to decimal left, right to left. So then power will be positive. For the positive power we move to decimal left, right to left, and where before the first digit. What is the first digit? 2. So we use the decimal before the first digit, and then 2.13 multiply by 10 power 8. Why 8? Because after decimal how many digit here is a 8? 1 and 3 2 digit, and how many 0 there are? 6 0. Now in second 8, after 8 how many 0? 4 0. Then answer is this, is very easy, we can write easily 8 multiplied by 10 power 4. So now third is a 0.0. How many 0 after the before the 7? 4 0, and also we include the 7. Now we move the decimal where? Right hand side, and we move the decimal right hand side in a small number. This is a small number, this is small number, this is larger number. So then power will be negative. So answer will be 7.0 after the digit. What is the digit? 7. So decimal will be used after digit 7.0, then 10 power minus 5 multiplied by 10 power minus 5. Why minus 5? Because where we move to decimal? Right hand side. And how many places? 5 places. Then power will be minus 5. Where? 10 power minus 5. Now same as here, 0.0123, 0.00123. How many digit here is after decimal? 5 digit. But 0 0 2 and then 1. So we use the decimal just after 1, means between 1 and 2. So we can say 1.23 and multiply by 10 power y minus 3, because here we moved to decimal. Right side how many places? 3 places. So this is all about for scientific notation. So today is the finish the chapter number 2 exponent. In next video we I re-explain the whole the exponent. So student, this is all about for exponent. So your homework is a solve the question number 3914 of exercise 2b. So I have attached your homework in description of this video. Thank you and take care.